Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab M7. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab. So let's start with none. And now let's select swipe. Then let's select pin containing at least 4 digits. And next let's select password containing at least 4 digits and letters. In the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Confirm. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.